In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your audio from this
fan going on in the background
to this.
Here I am recording on my iPhone with a huge
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Joey. I'm a web developer with over 10 years experience working in big tech, and I help developers like you build better software. If you make videos, you know how annoying background noise is, or if you record podcasts, you hear dog barking, birds chirping, people talking in the background, super annoying. I've watched a lot of videos out there that tell me to use Adobe Podcast or Descript or a lot of these softwares out there. And don't get me wrong, they sound great, but the workflow is just, very so clunky, like it makes me not want to use it. You see all the steps that it requires. You gotta take your video or your audio, put it in some tool. If it's a video, you gotta extract the audio from it, upload it to the website, do the extraction there, download it, put it back into your project, and replace the audio in your video, which is way too many steps. And we don't have to do that. Software can do so much better than that. And I looked out there for better solutions out there, and they all had different drawbacks. And the major drawback between all of these things that I found out there was that they have subscriptions. And I don't know about you, but I'm tired of subscriptions. So that's why I decided to build my own thing, and that removes background noise, and I'm offering it completely free right now. It's a limited time, so grab it while you can, but I'm going to show you all the things that it does, and hopefully makes your life a lot better. All right, let's dive in. So this is the app right here. It's just a desktop app. If you reach out to me, I'll give you free access to it in exchange for some feedback. So you download it, you open it up, and all you have to do is, let's actually delete this one right here. You take your file that you want to process, you drag it into the app right here. You click this button here, let it process, and there you go. It spits out the enhanced version.
Here I am recording on my iPhone
Right there in a matter of seconds. Now, some of the cool things about it is you can sort of tweak it to your settings however you want. You come here, you hit the settings button. You could change the format to any audio format that you want. If you just want the audio, by default it'll just use the same as your input. So no change there. If you want to get really advanced and change the bit rate of the audio, you can come in here and do that as well. And then if there's a specific location you want to store everything, you can come here as well. And this is something I didn't see in a lot of other apps out there, which is being able to adjust how much and this is something I haven't seen in a lot of apps. Some of them have it, some don't, of how strong you want the background noise removal to be. So that's what this is here. So you can drag the slider here. If you process it and you're like, oh, that sounds a little too processed, you could come here, adjust it, and try it over again. Another thing you can do is you can change the model. Sometimes you might have multiple speakers in your recording, and you need this model doesn't quite do a great job. You can come here and you can try this Demux model. This one is specialized for multiple voices and things like that. So you could even try that one and see if you get better results. So I built this app to scratch my own itch, and it's been saving me a lot of time. and it's still in the early stages, but if you want to play around with it and help me test it out, I'll put a link down in the description so you can get early access, and I would love to hear your feedback, and I hope this helps you out as much as it does me. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.